I'm beautiful. I'm so pretty I'm gonna die.
No, you're not. Mom, stop dancing. You're not beautiful.
Don't tell me to stop dancing. And I am very beautiful. You're not even my son.
Mom. Fine, bye. I don't know you.
This crazy lady is your mom.
See, Mom, now you're embarrassing me in front of the most popular girl at my preschool.
How many times do I have to tell you? You don't go to preschool. You go to kindergarten.
Mom. Stop it. You're still embarrassing me.
You're such a weirdo. You and your mom.
Do you know this mean person? I'm sorry we don't talk to mean persons.
Whatever. What a weirdo.
Come back, Kayla. I am your Prince Charming. We can go see the new body together. I
Well,
have
at
tickets.
least now I can do my dance. Oh yeah. Work it, baby. Rockin' out.